Hey everybody, Dan Wazlik here, one of the lead developers and core contributors to PrimeLayer, a first of its kind Bitcoin L2 that boasts a ton of advantages over our competition. Check out PrimeLayerNetwork.com for more information. This video is really more intended for the developer audience. I wanted to demonstrate how you can build a contract for any existing EVM and without any changing to the deployment code or tooling, deploy that exact same contract to PrimeLayer. And I'm going to demonstrate that really quickly here. First thing I want to show you is the code I'll be working with. Here's a simple demo contract. You can see the code. Here you can see the deployment code, and you can see that it's just some minimum code needed to deploy a simple contract to an EVM network with some console output to let us know that everything has worked out successfully. Here's my Hardhat configuration. This is using Hardhat 3. You see that I'm deploying to the Sepolia Ethereum test network, and I'll be deploying to the PrimeLayer edge chain, as it's called in the Syscoin infrastructure world, without making any changes to any of the deployment code or anything. So first, let's deploy to Ethereum. And of course, I've already loaded up the Ethereum wallet that is being used here with the required amount of gas to make this all happen. So first, we'll just do npm run deploy Sepolia. See, it's deploying to Sepolia. Give it a second. Ethereum time. There we go. Demo token deployed. That's the address. We can take this address. We can open up Etherscan. We can go to, here you go. You can see the contract's been deployed. Demo token 27 seconds ago. Easy. Now let's see how hard it is to deploy that same contract to PrimeLayer. So I'll do npm run deploy PrimeLayer. Doing its thing. And now it's done. So let's grab that. It may take PrimeLayer a second to index it, but let's see. Go over to the PrimeLayer DevNet, pop in our contract address. There it is, demo token. It already knows about it. That took what? A second? 2 seconds? You saw I modified no code between my deployment to Ethereum Sepolia and to PrimeLayer's edge chain. And you've got the exact same contract now deployed on 2 chains, and that increases the reach that your DApp can now accomplish through omni-chain deployment without any tooling requirements to be modified, greatly expanding the potential audience that your DApp can reach. And that's an important thing for us at PrimeLayer to, make sure that as we're building these tools out, we're building them out in ways that can be adopted immediately without any compromises. And this is a great example of that ethos put into practice and demonstrated firsthand. If you want to learn more about PrimeLayer, check out PrimeLayerNetwork.com. You can find us on Twitter at PrimeLayerHQ, and always love chatting with the community on Discord at discord.gg/PrimeLayerHQ. Have a good one, and I'll see you in the chat room.